Greetings, people who are interested in the Old Cedar Bridge pedestrian trail project, which will connect Bloomington and Eagan. The route, the Old Cedar Avenue, was a circuitous one through the meadows of the Minnesota River. This is an overview of the area from aerial photos taken in 1971, connecting two photos and orienting to north and south. To the north of the river is Long Meadow Lake, extending on either side of the bridges, and to the southwest is Black Dog Lake, with the Minnesota River flowing from the west to the east. Zooming into the area of interest, going from the north in Bloomington driving south on Old Cedar, you would first encounter the Old Cedar Bridge over Long Meadow Lake, also known as Long Meadow Bridge. This was built in 1891 and is currently being renovated for pedestrian use. It's been out of use since the new Cedar Bridge was built. Going south, you come to the main channel of the Minnesota River, which is crossed by the Swing Bridge, which was built in 1890 and demolished in the late 1970s when the new twin spans of the Minnesota 77 Highway Cedar Avenue Bridge were built. They were opened in 1980. Here is a 2016 view from Google Maps overlaid on the 1970 images. Zooming in now, you can see the Swing Arm Bridge, upper left, and on the lower right is a small bridge, which is the third bridge of Old Cedar. If you zoom in quite a bit, you can see that it's a short bridge which crosses a small stream, and it was notable because it had a severe hump in the middle, which was sometimes exploited by thrill seekers. Unfortunately, it had to be sacrificed, as you can see from the new image, to accommodate the new Cedar Avenue Bridge, and a new pond took place of part of that stream. So someday you will be able to walk along the historic old Cedar Avenue bridges and contemplate how it once was, the old three bridges connecting Bloomington and Eagan starting in the late 19th century.